In this video, I'm going to cover how can we share this schedule with other softwares. And I absolutely love this. And I'm going to go into InTakt for one of our projects. And you can see the live data. You can see the buyout here. You can see the procurement and the trade partner preparation process, your deferred submittals section, and then you're right down here into the production plan. And last time we talked about how, once you do your pull plan, it becomes one of these sequences, and then you're right in here, you can start working on your work plan. And my favorite thing to do is just pull up the look aheads and then the weekly work plans, and you're ready to go for your last planner system and you're jamming. But what if you want to export this out to other applications? Well, we do that all the time. And one of the things that I want to say is it's better to build your plan in here and then export to your baseline. And so if you click here, you can export to Excel and it looks beautiful. Primavera P6, so that's an XML file, and then also Microsoft Project at the click of a button. I can just click that, and then it will automatically show up in my downloads. It's quite phenomenal. And then you go in there, there's usually one or two small things that you can fix to get a really, really high schedule health score and CPM. And I will say that we've recently tried it with P6, with Asta, with Phoenix, with the Microsoft project, and it also connects with VPlanner and many more softwares. I know there's so many out there, but all it really is a click of a button, and you can go ahead and export that and import that into your schedule and have a compliant baseline, or simply export it for small updates. I hope you've enjoyed this video. That's how it's done. We'll link you to some resources on how to learn more, and on we go.